Hello everyone, welcome to Target45. My name is Jyoti. Today we are going to solve a problem. The problem statement is check if a number is prime or not. This is mostly asked in interviews, so I think it is worth solving today. First, we'll understand what is a prime number. If a number has only two divisors, that is 1 and itself, then it is called a prime number. Examples of prime number include 2, 3, 5, 7, and the list goes on. How we are going to solve in Python? First we'll define a function, is underscore prime function, and if number is less than or equal to 1, we'll have to return it as false. Because whatever we understood about prime number, it should have two divisors. So if it is less than or equal to 1, we should return as false. Otherwise, what we need to do? We need to compare from 2 to the square root of n to check if the number is prime or not. So if you see here in Python, if we want to define the square root, we use this formula, which is this. So I have used square root of n like this, where 0.5 represent 1 by 2 and n power 1 by 2 is square root n. Here we can also use n by 2 as a condition to specify the range, but this increases the complexity of entire program and we have to do more number of checks. That is why I am going with square root n. If we take an example, let's say if n is 36 and if we go with the formula of n by 2, we have to do 12 checks inside the for loop. In the same way, if we go with square root of n, we will hardly do 6 checks. So this is a small number, so we cannot understand the difference. But if we go with a huge numbers, like if n is some 10 lakhs, and if we do comparison, we are seeing the drastic change from n by 2 to square root n. So that is why it is always suggestible to use square root n. And it is about writing the efficient code as well. It's not only solving the problem. So that is why we are going with this solution. And if you know any better solution than this, please write in the comment section. So what we are doing here, we are checking I, if I is divisible by n inside the for loop. If it is divisible, then it is not a prime number. If, let's say, inside this for loop, if nothing is satisfied this solution, this if condition, then it is clear that it is a prime number. So we have to return true. So this is the function for checking if a number is prime or not. So we'll test the function. Let's say number equal to 10. If e is underscore prime, print prime number, else print not a prime. So let's run. So 10 is not a prime number. Let's see if 2 is a prime number. Yes. 2 is a prime number. So this is the program for checking if a number is prime or not. We are going to solve many problems like this. So please subscribe to Target 45.